Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry I haven't posted in a while. I went through bar with Beachbody. I did 10 rounds. I finished 2 days ago, and now I'm actually setting off to do something called the ultimate reset. So I'm going to do an unboxing with it today. I have it here right with me so we can talk and we can dive into it. So basically what the ultimate reset is just a 21-day program where you kind of get your body back to eating whole foods and eliminating dairy, meat, and sugar, and so that your body can just get back to its like natural way of working. So one of the things that I've heard about it was that it helps you sleep better. And you know, since we're all in quarantine, my sleep has been like crazy. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna dive in. I'm just gonna try it because after doing 10 rounds, which was great, I wanted to just do something focused on nutrition because I wanted to give people the other side of everything, so which is the nutrition part. So I'm excited to unbox this with you. And so the first thing you're gonna get is your program nutrition guide. Sorry if it's kind of dirty. I actually been using it. Today was my day one, so I've actually already started some of the recipes, and in it actually gives you pretty much a checklist of everything that you need to complete the program, but it also talks about different things such as like how you breathe, how you sleep, how you actually chew your food, and how those things actually do matter, and when it comes to your body being able to digest it, and how your body's able to kind of replenish itself after all of these things. So it's actually great, very informative, and then it dives into the This Is Me Now section. And what it does is it has you reflect on how you're feeling before you start the program, and then you're going to reflect on yourself afterwards, which I think is great because it runs down all these lists of things about how, like, some things that you just never think about. For instance, are you able to have a complete and satisfying food, and how do you rate your energy level, stuff like that, and like how that makes you feel. Like, do you need caffeine, do you need sugar? And I just think that's pretty cool to like reflect on, because I think I don't ever take the time to think about those things. And what it does, it gives you weekly prep tips. So since it's only 3 weeks, you it has you help you prep all your meals, what you should do first, and it tells you a list of when you should be taking your supplements and all the things that you should be doing, how many hours you need to wait before meals or lunches or snacks, etc., like that. So it's great. I'm on phase 1. Like I said, there's 3 phases in it all, and it gives you actually all of your breakfast, your lunch, and your dinners here. So it tells you what to have each day, and it has the recipes, so you'll be able to follow the instructions to a T, and you wouldn't have to do anything. And the best part I think I like is that you can actually replace it with certain other foods if you don't like them. And I like that because I don't like certain foods, but you could only have meat the first 3 days of the program. After that, you aren't able to do it. So it's important to follow it, I guess, so that you can make sure that you're doing what you need to do to get the results that you want. And each phase is broken up into 7 days. The first phase is known as the reclaim phase, and that's when you're first going to be like essentially reclaiming your body back from all like caffeine, sugar, and all that stuff like that, and me, and just getting back to basics essentially. Then once you get past day 7, you get to the phase 2, which is known as the release stage, and that's pretty much your body just detoxing and cleansing, and then has your supplements, and then the last week is restore, and so you're just putting your body back after going through it, and kind of what you need to get back so that you can have your body be back to, I guess, where the good parts, way it's working. And then you also have your snacks for each week that you can have, and like I said, it has the recipes. But what I think is so strange is that as you know, Beachbody is a health and wellness company that I work for, that I love, but you know what's funny is that you can't work out on this. The only things you can do pretty much are just light activities such as walking or swimming, stretching, which is good. So that's going to be interesting for me to see, and I'm just going to walk you through quickly with what comes in the package. So I have it, like I said, open here, and first you get your mineralize. So what you do is you actually can only consume distilled water on this. You drink 1 gallon a day, and mineralize, if you guys can see it. And what it does is it adds natural minerals needed for the body. And like I said, so you would put, I think, 1/4 of a teaspoon inside your distilled water, shake it up, and then you'll have it for the whole day. And then you just have to drink that with it. And then your Optimize, you take these with your distilled water before you eat, and it supports nutrient absorption and bioavailability. Also, what I love about this is that you can literally look at all of the ingredients on these, and you can see there's like nothing in here that's like weird or like you can't pronounce or that you don't know. All these are natural ingredients. Next is your Power Greens, which just pretty much gives you greens just to help your body. It helps support the body's acid alkaline balance, and it's pretty much just like another supplement just so that you can get your more veggies in. Next is Revitalize. That, you can see it, and that helps support beneficial flora in the digestive tract. So pretty much just making sure that your digestion is like working properly. And last but not least is Soothe. And with Soothe, just ingredients traditionally used to support digestive health and the body's response to oxidative stress. So pretty much just helping your body be able to go poo, essentially. So it's good. And like I said, I love reading the ingredients because there's like nothing in here that I cannot not pronounce, which is great. That's what you want. And on this, I love that we're eating like real meals, 3 square meals a day, plus a snack option if you need it. And instead of like those other companies that feed you things that just aren't good for you, like detoxes and etc., like this stuff is actually like all natural, and you're still eating, you're not depriving yourself. So as I said, today is my day 1, so I'm hoping to update you guys by day 21. Actually, I will update you guys by day 21 just to let you guys know how it goes, but this is my day 1. I'm excited, and so I hope you guys like it. If you guys ever want to get some accountability, or if you want to try out any workout programs or the Ultimate Reset, you can always just reach out to me. My Beachbody information is linked up, and so is my email, so reach out to me anytime, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.